day, everyone. This is a place where government representatives discuss relevant and timely issues. Welcome to PIA iTalk. Our heritage is not just a memory of the past. It is the living pulse of who we are as Filipinos, echoing in every song, story, and struggle we carry. At upang higit na talakayin ang pagdiriwang ng buwan ng pambansang pamana, samahan natin si Dr. Ivan Anthony S. Henares, Commissioner of Subcommission on Cultural Heritage ng National Commission for Culture and the Arts.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay Pambansang Buwan ng Pamana or National Heritage Month. Taong 2003 nang pirmahan ang Presidential Proclamation 439 officially declaring the month of May as National Heritage Month. This declaration was made with the goal of promoting deeper appreciation, greater public awareness, and stronger preservation of the rich and diverse cultural heritage of the Philippines. So ngayon pong Pambansang Buwan ng Pamana, ang ating tema po ay Preserving Legacies, Building Futures. This theme speaks directly to the heart of our mission. It recognizes the vital role of our communities, not only as custodians of our cultural treasures, but also active builders of a future rooted in memory, meaning, and mutual respect. Our heritage, tangible and intangible, connects generations. It is a living bridge between our past and our future, shaping identity and guiding development. Through this year's celebration, we hope to deepen the public sense of connection to our shared cultural legacy and inspire collective action in its conservation and protection. So we've outlined several key objectives for this year's celebration. First, to showcase the ongoing cultural conservation efforts across the country while actively encouraging community participation and grassroots initiatives. Pangalawa, gusto po natin ay magkaroon na po ng bagong henerasyon ng mga heritage advocates. We want to develop the next generation of heritage advocates by equipping individuals, especially the youth, with essential knowledge and skills in cultural preservation. Kaya nga po ang priorities po natin ngayong Heritage Month ay capacity building and training kasi nga napaka-technical po. Pag sinabi po natin cultural conservation, marami pong mga technical knowledge na kailangan po dito, especially sa mga libraries natin, sa mga archives, pati ang built heritage, no? Kailangan meron tayong conservation knowledge at gusto po natin yan ipaalam sa mga komunidad na nagpro-protect, no? Nagproprotekta ng mga ng mga kanilang pamana, no? So third is to amplify awareness of the Philippines' diverse heritage. Ang mga wika po natin, mga tradisyon, ang arkitektura, crafts and stories, no? So that these may be valued not just as historical artifacts but as living parts of who we are. Pang-apat, no? To promote collaboration across institutions, cultural organizations, local governments, and communities. Because safeguarding heritage is a shared responsibility. No? Dapat tulong-tulong po tayo para ma-preserve natin ang ating heritage. No? Panlima, fifth, no? To uplift indigenous traditions and knowledge systems through recognition, documentation, and respectful preservation efforts. Napaka-importante po na bigyan po natin ng halaga ang ating mga kapatid na indigenous peoples. No? And finally, to encourage responsible and sustainable cultural tourism. One that celebrates heritage while ensuring its integrity for generations to come. No? Kaya napaka-importante po doon, sustainability, sustainable. No? We have to make sure that we are able to sustain, no, our heritage para ito po ay makita ng susunod na henerasyon ng mga Pilipino. No? National Heritage Month is not just a time of remembrance. It is a call to action. A call to celebrate who we are as Filipinos, to honor our roots, and to work together in protecting the very foundations that shape our national identity. So we have various flagship programs from the different national committees under the Subcommission on Cultural Heritage. Of course, you can find this on our Facebook page. And of course, there is an intent to focus on preservation of our heritage resources, digitization and archiving efforts, and empowering our heritage workers in the different communities across the country, be they librarians, historical researchers, museum workers, gallerists, art enthusiasts, and many more. So to give you a glimpse of our upcoming activities in relation to National Heritage Month 2025, of course, there is the translocal and transregional links in the history of Region 8 and the Visayas in Tacloban City from May 20 to 21. Another event would be the vulnerabilities of ecclesiastical archives and cultural heritage to the biodeterioration, climate change, and political conflict at the University of Santo Tomas in Manila from May 20 to 22. And of course, from the National Committee on Monuments and Sites, we have the training program for the preservation and conservation of heritage structures in the Philippines that will be held in Tacloban City from May 26 to 27. Meron rin po tayong basic archives and digitization of records in Marawi City from May 27 po to 30. And ang archiving and collections management workshop for artists and art galleries na gaganapin po sa Estancia Mall sa Mayo 31 po, May 31, no? At syempre, ang closing po ng National Heritage Month ay gaganapin po sa Sorsogon sa May 31 din po, no? So, please visit the NCCA and National Heritage Month Facebook pages for more information about these activities, and we hope, no, that you join us, no? All heritage communities nationwide will be able to join us in celebrating National Heritage Month. Maraming salamat po.
This National Heritage Month, may we continue to preserve, promote, and pass on our heritage to future generations. Together, let's keep our stories alive, our traditions thriving, and our identity strong. Hanggang sa muli, magkita-kita tayo sa susunod ng BIA iTalk. Mabuhay!